A wonderful day starts with the beautiful zebra shapes.
High school graduation, last family vacation, trip to Michigan last year. My yearbook from 7th grade, I tore out every
Right now,
page.
follow me to have your beautiful zebra blinks. Firstly, take out all the basket. Then measure where to like the brackets. Drill the brackets. Look at the shadows. Quickly finish installation in 5–10 minutes. Hidden brackets, very clean look after installing. So quiet and smooth when you're pulling up or down. The soft sunlight is pouring in, and the motor's shadows seem to print on my mind. This is what I want to live simply, quiet, and you together.